Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Namaskar. My name is Rozaq from Diponegoro University, and now I want to present our research paper entitled Production Machine Maintenance System Design using Reliability-Centered Maintenance. The object of this research is PTXYZ, which is a car automotive industry company. PTXYZ has the largest market share in Indonesia for car market. But XYZ implements just-in-time, total productive maintenance, and total quality maintenance to be able to fulfill requests exactly according to orders within a predetermined time by always making continuous improvement and reducing waste. The problem of this research is damage to the production machines, so that the planned production schedule is disrupted, which is indicated by the percentage of downtime is very high. The highest percentage of downtime is in cylinder head line, that is 9.14%, while ideal benchmarking downtime for manufacturing industry is not more than 3%. So that the result that there was a shortage of 11 cylinder head products per day, and with an average length of downtime of 1.45 hours per day, the estimated average cost of downtime is 10,593,700 rupiahs. These are objectives to be achieved in this study by using reliability-centered maintenance. The first is increase engine reliability cylinder head production line, and second is estimating maintenance costs. According to August in 1999, RCM is a maintenance perspective in an operational context that understands plan objective, needs, and equipment, and then developing a maintenance strategy to optimize maintenance result. These are some of the formulas used in this study. First, we have done FMEA analysis on the cylinder head line to get the highest priority failure mode and get the interval data. And we tested the distribution test to see the relationship between optimal distribution and data to breakdown accurate. So and then we will get the parameter values, mean time to failure and mean time to repair. And from these parameter values, we can calculate the reliability for each time parameter using Excel software. Here is an estimated cost of maintenance. CF is the cost incurred if maintenance is carried out before a failure, and CM is the cost incurred if maintenance is carried out after a failure occurred. Um, the first is NC fault. The first of failure mode is NC fault. NC fault is a form of failure that occurs on the unit axis on the machine, one of which is in the G-top engine where there is 5-axis movement, namely X, Y, Z, and table and magazine. We propose the scheduled discard task with the time parameter in 96 hours. The second is dealing fault. Dealing is a branch or sector of an input device and PLC output, which is spread over parts of the machine called sleeves. We propose the scheduled discard task in 48 hours. The third is machine won't process. The machine doesn't want to process to occur because the requirements for the machine to be processed have not been fulfilled. We propose the scheduled restoration task in 192 hours. The fourth is claim or unclaimed fault. Claim or unclaimed fault occurs due to an incorrect position or not fit of the workpiece that enters the machine so that the position of the workpiece is tilted and the clamp doesn't fit with the workpiece. We propose the scheduled on condition task in 528 hours. And the last is master on that. Master on is a condition when the machine can be turned on if some of the safety requirements of the machine are met. Uh, we propose the scheduled or on condition task in 792 hours. And this is the risk-based inspection that we make. The first is for NC fault. Inspection can be carried out without interrupting the production process by checking the engine alarm, with each alarm having meaning. The second, the link fault, the inspection then that can be carried out by the operator is checking the PLC output, which is spread over the machine parts or sleeve. The third is machine one process. The operator's inspection is to check the PLC program to see the condition of the requirements, such as door open, hydraulic off, master on, shift return cycle completed. And the fourth is clamp or unclamped fault. An inspection done by the operator is to check the operation panel, and if the clamp is not fit, a warning will automatically appear. And the last is master on that. The operator's inspection can be carried out to check the wiring or cable management in a network of machines supported by several security tools. And this is the proposed framework that we make for the company to make it easier to understand if they want to implement reliability centered maintenance. The contents of the CPOC diagram may differ between company and can be adjusted as needed. This is the conclusion of this research. Uh, The study employed reliability-centered maintenance to develop a maintenance strategy model that is better than what is currently used. We get the 67 function and 108 functional failures, 34 failure modes, and obtained 5 failure modes that have a high critical level category. And by implementing reliability-centered maintenance, machine reliability can be increased by an average increase of 39.34%, and various strategies are obtained for each failure mode. That's my presentation. If you are interested and in need, you can read our paper if it has been published by the conference committee. Thank you and stay healthy.